Hi everybody, I am Lake Utsaya. I am the founder and pageant coach at Electra. I am Femina Miss India Punjab 2022. I'm a model and a content creator. And in this video is a tutorial where I'm going to show you how to do these beautiful curls that you will need for your pageant. So if that's something that interests you, stay tuned. As usual, here are the chapters. We are going to start with the products that are needed, go straight to tutorial, then I give you certain tips and precautions, and in the end we have a homework chapter. Before we go ahead, I would like to tell you that I am taking a heels masterclass for 2 hours in Bangalore on the 15th of December. If heels excite you but walking in them doesn't, then this masterclass is for you. I am Lake Uthaya and I'm going to help you own your stride and make the world your runway. This is a workshop you do not want to miss because I've designed it amazingly. To book it, the link is in the description. The products you need is a hair straightener along with some partition clips, your curling iron or hair curler, your tail comb, hairbrush, as well as your heat protection spray, dry shampoo, shine spray, holding spray, hair wax, a small hair straightener. All of the links are in the description and let's get started. The first product I'm going to start with is a heat protection spray. As you can see, I have wavy hair and the first thing I want to do is flatten it. Just make sure you spray it generously but don't drench your hair in it. Now this is a disclaimer. अगर आपके पास already straight बाल है या बहुत soft बाल है तो don't straighten it because अदरवाइज आपके कर्ल्स बिल्कुल भी मतलब होल्ड नहीं करेंगे. इफ़ यू हैव वेवी हेयर, कोर्स हेयर, फ्रिजी हेयर, फिर थोड़ा सा अगर आप स्ट्रेटन कर लो तो उसके बाद जो कर्ल्स होंगे वो नीट लगेंगी एंड फ्रिजी नहीं. लाइक यू कैन सी मैंने बिल्कुल पोकर स्ट्रेट नहीं किया है बालों को. नेक्स्ट आई एम यूजिंग माई टेल कोम टू गेट एन इवन एंड स्ट्रेट पार्टीशन. मैं मिडिल पार्टीशन करती हूँ बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ आई वॉन्ट माई हेयर टू बी. आगे से और पीछे से एंड देन आई कोम इट नाइसली एंड पुट क्लिप्स टू इट सो दैट वो पार्टीशन पीछे से मतलब होल्ड करे. Look at me looking like a schoolgirl. Yay! नाउ व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज पीछे जो मैंने 2 पार्टीशन किए थे उसको मैं और आधा कर रही हूँ. तो आई टेक अ पार्टीशन जो कान के ऊपर वाले बाल है ना दैट्स कॉल्ड क्राउन ऑफ द हेड. उसको हम बाद में सेट करेंगे बिकॉज वो सबसे पहले शक्ल पे दिखती है. हम अभी पीछे के बाल स्टाइल करने वाले हैं. तो मैं आगे का क्राउन जो मैंने बोला था आई एम जस्ट गोना क्लिप इट ताकि आई वर्क विद द पार्टीशन बिहाइंड. पीछे जो बाल बचे हैं अभी उसको मैं और आगे पार्टीशन करूंगी तो इसको मैं और आधे में करती हूँ और फिर जितने बाल अभी जो बचे हैं उसको मैं फिर से क्लिप कर दूंगी. तो एज यू कैन सी मैंने बहुत छोटा सा पार्ट छोड़ा हुआ है तो मैं उसको सबसे पहले कर्ल करूंगी. द प्रॉब्लम विथ माई कर्लर इज कि उसमें टेम्परेचर कंट्रोल नहीं है जो यूजुअली कर्लर्स में होना चाहिए. आई मीन आई डिडंट चेंज इट बट देन इफ यू कैन प्लीज डू. Now I'm going to show you how to curl it. What you have to do is the clamp जो है ना उसको आगे की तरफ you have to face it and then you have to curl it outwards. Then you start rolling it in and उसके बाद you count. So I count to 15 seconds. So I just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15 तक मैं करती हूँ and then slowly I release the curls. Unfortunately एक हादसा भी हो गया. I burnt myself. Usually that never happens but वो लग गया मेरे गले पे because I have short hair. So guys please be very careful when you are curling. This does happen and yes it did leave a nasty burn. If you're getting what I'm saying so far, drop in a comment saying curls are love because let's be honest, curls are so much more interesting than straight hair. So drop that a comment so I know that this tutorial is helping you. Now we take out the section that we had clipped in for a while and we comb it so that it just is neat and does not have any tangles and then we divide it. तो मैं नीचे से I take out another part and I clip the rest of it ताकि धीरे धीरे उस partition को I further partition it and keep curling. The tongue का clamp comes in front and I pull it really taut and उसके बाद I just roll it all the way. Just make sure you're always holding it vertical and that's how I curl the whole back section. Now we come to the crown part and here's what I'm going to tell you. Vertically इसको आगे से मत करो. Horizontally take out the partition. ठीक है तो I take one horizontal part below as you can see और मैं ऊपर बाकी के बालों को I'm just going to clip it and I'm going to work with the horizontal section. I'm going to divide that into two and I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to put the clamp ahead and curl it, comb it and curl it again. Always remember the curls should be going on the outside of your face. तो inwards नहीं करोगे आप outwards curl करोगे. उसी horizontal partition को लेके I finished all of my curls. Remember you shouldn't be touching them. Always let the curls cool down. Now I'm going to curl the other side similarly. Guys, the burn was getting worse and बहुत जल रहा था, so I just got myself an aloe vera gel to apply so that it would just help. I've also linked that in the description in case you want it. And there you have it. Both sides के curls are ready. Before it fully cools down, I use my holding spray and I make sure that I spray all over the bottom of my curls so that the curls remain. हेयर वैक्स आई ओनली यूज जहाँ पे फ्लाईअवेज या स्टैटिक दिखता है ना जो बाल के ऊपर, इट जस्ट लुक्स लाइक यू आर इलेक्ट्रोक्यूटेड, वहाँ पे आई जस्ट यूज इट टू मेक श्योर इट्स टेम्ड. Now this step is obviously optional, but I like using a shine spray because मेरे बाल में natural luster नहीं है guys, genetic होता है, but then this helps bring the shine in. So I use it generously as you can see. Now, here are a few tips and precautions that I want to give you. Number one, if you're a beginner, use gloves. Okay, that's something that how I learned because I would burn my hand all the time. So just having gloves, I used to use rider gloves just while you're curling your hair because you might not know where to touch the tong properly, will help you immensely. The second tip would be to make sure that your hair doesn't have any residue. Try to make sure that you don't have conditioner left over or like hair oil. If that is the case, that's where you can use the dry shampoo as well if there is residue. But try to make sure you use less of conditioner or at least wash it away properly so that the curls stay. Otherwise, it just gets greasy and it doesn't hold. The next would be to use a silk hair wrap. If you're wondering how do I keep these curls till my next wash, here's what you do. You don't let it get ruined by the pillow. You tie this up. I'm going to link this in the description as well. And you go to sleep so that your curls stay the way they are. How do you manage the curls if you have longer hair and you want to tie it and go to some place? Always use big clutches. Don't use small ones because they can cause dents in the curls. But big clutches are something that you should be using to protect them. The next step is to not overload on products. Although I've shown you all these products, they you need to be used in minimal amount. For example, if you use too much of hair spray, then your curls will weigh down. Similarly, if you use too much of anything, it'll just get too much for your hair to hold the curls. So make sure you know how much is best for you, and that comes with practice. Now we reach the last chapter, which is your homework chapter. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to do your salon homework. So what does that mean? You're going to Google all the salons that is in a 5 kilometer radius around you. You're going to call them and ask them how much does it cost for a hair wash and a curl. Okay, so they of course are going to blow dry it. Don't let them like curl your hair after it air dries. And what I want you to do is observe the hairstylist. Okay, wash के बाद जो curls बैठते हैं ना, तो उसके बाद वो already blow dry कर देते हैं. इसका मतलब your hair in general has जो straightening process मैंने शुरू में दिखाया था, that is kind of done when you blow dry after you wash your hair. उसके बाद से see what are the ways he's sectioning your hair. Make sure that this is in your budget, obviously, but please make sure you also see the reviews of these salons. And I've learned most of what I know through observation and then implemented it slowly. So if you are an absolute beginner, or if you are someone who's always been on their phone while your hair is being done, maybe this time go and observe. The next is an Instagram challenge. I have linked everything that I have used in this video in the description. Okay, so I want you to go click on that, add it to your cart, and buy it. And when you try these curls at home, please tag at Electra, and I will make sure that I tag my favorite looks. In general, if you are even in the salon, please do tag Electra if you have gone after this video and you're doing it, because I would love to see that this is actually something that you're taking seriously and you're making progress towards your pageant journey. Because let's be honest, very often than not, we are the ones styling our own hair. And there you have it, how to get your perfect pageant curls. If you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, and make sure you switch on the bell notification so that you do not miss the next video that I post. I will be soon with more tutorials. If there's anything else that you want me to show, please make sure you comment down below and I will make sure that I make them for you. All right, I'm gonna head out. See you soon. Bye.